Hello, Namaskar. I am Dr. Sudhir Pawar, advisor at SR World Legal Solutions. For the last 15 years, I have been helping schools, colleges, and NGOs across India with complete legal guidance and regulatory approvals. If you are planning to open CBSE, ICSE, or state board school, then this channel is for you. And if you want to start a pharmacy, nursing, paramedical, law, engineering, or even a medical college, I will guide you step by step. We also help with trust registrations, society formation, or Section 8 companies, registration of 12A, 8TG approvals, and FCI registrations. On this channel, you will find simple explanations, compliance checklist, government rules, and case studies from our experiences. Our first series is CBSE School Establishment Masterclass, where I will explain everything from land requirement and affiliation process. If you want expert guidance and save time, prevent mistakes, and help you get approval faster, subscribe now and join this journey. Thank you.